Hello and welcome everyone. I am Pushpak Pandit and today in this video we are going to see important MCQs of goods and service tax chapter. So first of all let us discuss that what are the two topics which are going to cover in this video. So first of all I am going to say you that what are the expected MCQ questions from GST chapter, and the main motive to give this point is that I want to let you know that how MCQ questions can be formed from GST chapter. So I hope you are getting my point. Now the second point is basically that I am going to give you two questions for practice, which are basically you can consider it as an example for MCQ questions from GST. So let's get started. The first question is here and I am going to read it, and you need to be very careful that what are the information which you can extract from this given question. The question says a shopkeeper bought a washing machine at a discount of 20% from a wholesaler. The printed price of the washing machine being rupees 18,000. Okay. Now the shopkeeper sells it to a consumer at a discount of 10% on the printed price. If the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 12%, choose the correct option from the given four options. Now this is the question. Okay, so this is basically a question and you will first need to collect all the information from this question, and there will be many sub parts of this question in which the options would be given. Now let me show you that. Here you can see that there are some questions. Let me read the question. Question number 1 is the price inclusive of tax under GST at which the shopkeeper bought the machine, and your options are rupees 16,128, rupees 18,128, rupees 16,127, and the last option is rupees 25,517. Now an important thing to note here is that I have given the answers of this question in the description box, but first of all try it on your own basis. Okay. Let me read the second question. The second question says the price which the consumer pays for the machine, and your options are rupees 20,140, rupees 18,144, rupees 18,114, and last option is rupees 18,441. So you can see that option number B, C and D, they are very much similar. So kindly give the answer very carefully. Okay. Now we have more three questions from that particular question number 1. Now the third question is that tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to the state government. Now your options are rupees 546, rupees 864, rupees 846, and here is a new thing that you can get an option as none too. Okay. Now let me read question number 4. Question number 4 says the tax under GST paid by the shopkeeper to the state government. Okay. Question number 5. So question number 5 is under the tax under GST received by the central government, and here you have some options. So basically question number 4 and question number 5, they are having some options which you can get by calculating. Okay. So basically my main motive is to say you and to tell you that how these questions are coming. Okay, so let us take one more example so that you can get crystal clear about this. Here is the second question. Let me read it. A retailer purchases a fan for rupees 1500 from a wholesaler and sells it to a consumer at 10% profit. Now if the sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 12%, then choose the correct answer from the given four options. Now let me read the question just. The first question is the selling price of the fan by the retailer excluding tax is, and here are your options. Second question is the selling price of the fan including tax under GST by the retailer is, and here are your again options. Now the question number 3 is here the tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to the central government, and here are your options. Question number 4, the tax under GST paid by the wholesaler to the state government, and again you have four options here. The last question of this video is the cost of the fan to the consumer inclusive of tax is, and you have the options here. So I hope you are getting my point that you would be given a question and there would be sub part of this question, and in this question your options would be given. Okay, so that's all from this video. I hope the video was helpful. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.